Okay, I just want to do a quick video to show a new feature in Windows 11 that nobody's really talking about. And I think it's a great security feature. If we go to Settings, and look at Apps, choose where to get apps. The default is Anywhere, and that's how Windows has always been. But we have Anywhere, but let me know if there's an app in the store. Probably don't care about that. Anywhere, but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. Or Microsoft Store only. Now you might say, I don't want only software from the Microsoft Store. The trick is, though, is that this is kind of a whitelist situation where you can turn this back off real quick, install software, then turn it back on. That way it's harder to get a virus or an infection because it's not signed by Microsoft. I downloaded some apps here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's install Chrome. Uh-oh, it's not a Microsoft verified app, but I can go change my app setting. Let's just allow it from anywhere. So now it'll install like normal. Now it's going to allow me to install it, but what I'm going to show you is after you're finished, you can turn the setting back up to high setting and you'll still be able to use Chrome like normal. And should have picked a little faster application. There we go for Chrome. Let's just keep it right here in the dock. So you see it let me do that. Now let's go back to settings and apps and turn this back to Microsoft Store. What you're going to see is I'm still going to be able to launch Chrome. It only affects new installs. But let's say if I tried to install VLC now, or any app, I get the warning again. So I can change my recommendation setting again to Anywhere, install the app, turn it back to Microsoft Store only, and this will make me a lot harder to get an infection. If you're, I would really recommend setting your parents, your kids, anybody, people working in an office, setting it this way because you can run any app you want. You just have to turn this off for a few minutes. If you're a techie person and you're playing with this a whole lot and you're installing stuff all the time, you might want to try it right here where it just warns you. So let's try this. If you put it on that setting, it gives you a warning and it would help you stop malware, but you can click and install anyway. So, if you're an advanced user and you trust yourself, you may want to go that route to let you plug through, but for most people, I'd probably just set it to Microsoft Store only, and that way it'll, they'd have to go turn it all the way off to be able to use it. But you see, it doesn't affect your ability to function. So really, it's no problem in using this. Just wanted to make that short video, and I'll get back to some more later.